I thought I understood that if I received something of value in exchange for the donation, that I could not then claim the donation as a deduction. And I'm thinking, if I remember correctly, going to the Habitat for Humanity dinner a couple of years ago, big hoo-ha that they do. I think they actually indicate, and I think other nonprofits have indicated, that we're asking you for X donation to attend the event, and Y of that is
Cost
thank you, tax deductible, so that they're indicating that there's a value that I'm getting out of the dinner, and I can't deduct the value. Can you help me with that?
The Internal Revenue Service has put out guidelines in these instances where you have things like charity auctions or dinners, or where organizations give recognition gifts and that sort of thing to donors, and so there's a procedure under the Internal Revenue Service guidelines that say that the organization then reports the value that has been received in return for the gift, and you can deduct the difference. I guess the question in this case is whether the individual that's adopting the animal is actually just making a true donation where there's just donative intent, or if they're paying for the animal in effect. And if it's sort of a condition for adopting the animal, in that case it's likely that the requisite charitable or donative intent is not there and they can't deduct it. And in fact, if you look at the bill, it's it doesn't reach donations per se. It's rather sale as defined under the sales tax. So the presumption is that you're getting something in return for making this payment. But the income tax, it's decided on a case-by-case basis, and I think in the sales tax it may be a little bit more of a sort of a presumption. They don't look at intent or anything like that. It just always applies regardless.